Now when you see parts like this that look complicated, they're actually very simple with the magic wheel. Let's just go out and draw a block here. I'll lock onto the coordinate system there, and it's just a general concept here. And I'm just going to push this out any distance, turn off my PMI. And so when you see something at an angle like this, ignore the angle and imagine what it would look like if it was just square. And so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go up to this top and sketch across here, and I'll just use the midpoints. And all I'm going to do is just drop this down a certain distance. And that's pretty much it. Because what happens when you have the magic wheel, all you do is just go and touch on this face, and we come in here and we pull the ball over. If you're having trouble seeing that, just rotate it around. Then you grab the magic wheel and just spin it around and drop it down. Now if you can't see that point, you might have to rotate, and I'm still having trouble, I'll go up here to the end point, and so I'll just look at it up here from the side, and there it is right there. And so that's how you do that shape. It's actually very, very simple with this wheel. So let's look at another example. I'm just going to hit undo to undo this, and I'll go up and just draw a sketch on this face up here. So we're just doing a little rectangle box basically. And so here, if I drop this down straight through, all we're going to do here, let's just fit this so it's a little bigger. Just go up and hit the select button, click on a face, drag the ball up, locks on, grab the wheel, and then pull that out. And let's just grab that corner. And again, if you have trouble grabbing the corner, you can just rotate this around, and so it locks like that. Let's hit escape a couple of times, grab this one, drag it up to that edge, and rotate this around, and lock on right there. And so there's your example. So let's take a look at how we would approach this. I'm just going to draw a rectangle out here on our front face, lock to that, and I'll draw another rectangle, something like that. I'm just after this region right here, the basic L shape. So I'll push that out, and let's mirror that both ways. And then I'm going to use the other piece of this, and I'll just drag that out, something like that. And I do need to just chop off the front. And you know what, maybe it would have been easier if I'd just actually drawn a line right down there. That'd save me chopping that off. And let's just push that out. Now I'll turn off my sketches. And the way we go about getting this done, and because we built it around the center there, all we should have to do is one side. I grab the magic wheel, get the ball, and I drag this down, and I simply grab the wheel and roll that in. And that's moving both faces because I have design intent on, and it sees the symmetric option there. And so I could just come up here to the midpoint, and that's basically it.